So if you go out there and ask someone what is the best way to grow your business, everyone will tell you that if you are capturing enough leads in your business, it would become very easy for you to grow your business. As everyone says, leads is equal to fuel for your business. If you're capturing enough number of leads for your business, you would be able to succeed in your business. As we say, more leads equal more prospects to contact, and once you have more prospects to contact, you always have more chances of conversion. So it becomes very ample that you capture as many leads as possible from your website, and you can capture and convert those leads into your customer. So these are two of the facts that really everyone should know, that if you are getting more leads, it becomes more business. Another thing is, if you are seeing nowadays trend, you might see that mobile usage is increasing very, very fast. More than 78% of mobile users are actually visiting some kind of websites. Earlier, if you go just a couple of years back, you might see that there would be very less number of people using mobile phones, but nowadays everyone visits some kind of website through mobiles. Now, when people visit their website using mobiles, you might see that lots and lots of users out there are actually still using those traditional lead forms or traditional subscription form for their websites. Now, when you see those traditional subscription form for their website, it becomes very hard for those mobile users to actually fill in their details and give you their data for becoming the customers. Now it becomes very hard for them to give their data to you so that you can actually convert them as your customer. So today we are introducing the software named as LeadXplode. This LeadXplode plugin will allow you to capture as many leads as possible from your very same website. What we tell people is that it is the world's first social lead capture plugin, and I am going to tell you in just a brief moment why we call it a world's first social lead capture system. Now, if you're visiting some modern website nowadays, maybe if you go to LinkedIn, if you visit websites like Salesforce, if you're into marketing, you might visit Salesforce. If you visit Quora, or if you are visiting any other website out there, you might see that nowadays on each and every registration form or login form, you will be seeing that login via Facebook button or login via Google Plus button. Now, why so many websites are actually using that login via Facebook or login via Google button on their website? The reason is simple. They use those buttons, or they ask user to register through Facebook or Google Plus. They ask them because it lifts the conversion up drastically. When it increases the conversion, there are lots and lots of people who enter the system. When lots and lots of people enter their platform, they can actually sell them their things, they can actually tell them different things, they can show them different things. Now, the thing is simple. We have made the very same thing and brought the same concept to web forms. So now you can actually create any kind of web form on your website. You can create subscription form. You can just ask for name and email address. You can ask for first name, last name, email address. You can ask for any message, feedback, or just about any web form that you like. You can create any kind of web form using LeadXplode, and you can embed that web form on your website. But that is not enough. When you embed that form on your website, every single form that you create with LeadXplode will actually come with a button where the user can submit the detail from their Facebook profile or Google Plus profile. So now you have the power where you have connected your form automatically with Facebook and Google. Now people can come over to your website. They can actually tap onto the button of Facebook or Google Plus, and their entire details like first name, last name, email address, or phone number will automatically be captured from the social profiles, and they will be added on your backend, and you can track those details on your backend. Now it becomes very simple for the mobile users. So usually what happens is, when mobile users visits your website, they have to tap in, and then they have to write their first name, like my name is Neeraj, I have to write Neeraj, then I have to write my AGARWAL, my last name, then I have to put in my email address, then I have to fill in my messages, and then I have to submit the button. It becomes very hard and complicated. In the last 1 year, I don't remember filling out single web form on any website out there. Now you are actually converting the same web form into a social lead capture web form where people can actually give you their entire details by just pressing one button. A Facebook pop-up will appear, they will allow the access, and you will instantly get entire data on your backend. Isn't it amazing? It is very amazing because there are hundreds and thousands of mobile users who are actually migrating to mobiles, and they are actually checking out some kind of websites on mobile. And if you are going to capture those leads, if you are able to capture those leads, you can actually create and enhance your lead conversion, and you can increase your business by capturing those leads which otherwise would be missed. Now the interesting thing about the plugin is you can actually instantly capture leads, you can tap data from social profiles, you can create any kind of lead capture form possible through this plugin. The plugin allows you to capture data of first name, last name, email address, and in some cases phone number as well. Other than that, we have personally used the plugin. We have used the plugin on our platform, and we have seen at least 61% increase in lead capturing. So it means that if you are capturing 100 leads from your website by using this plugin, those leads will become 161. If you are capturing just 10 leads from your website, you would be able to collect at least 16 more leads or 16 leads from your website by simply using this plugin. You don't have to do anything, you just have to buy this plugin. Once you buy it, it becomes very easy to capture the plugin. You can just embed the entire, you can create a web form, you can then embed it on your website, you can add it on your website and start your own social lead capture system on your website without having to do anything. Isn't it amazing? I know it is, and I'm pretty sure that you would be making amazing profit out of it. So just grab the LeadXplode plugin, and I'm pretty sure that you would be making amazing profit out of it. So thanks for watching this video.